In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect CoinStats to Coinbase. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to coinstats.app/connect/Coinbase. And then you're going to head to this website over here, and then you have three options. You can either do the API sync, which as you can see over here, you have the step-by-step instructions, and you can go ahead and just follow these. However, I do think this is a bit more complex than just going over here, for example, to OAuth, where you basically, all you have to do is just click on connect over here. It's going to take you to login.coinbase.com, and here you basically just have to sign into your account. So I just did that, so it's asking me for my code, and then whenever you basically sign in, you have successfully connected your Coinbase to your CoinStats. Okay, so I do think this is the easiest way. Of course, you can use the API sync or CSV as well if you want to, but OAuth is likely the easiest. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.